Why Sigma males are more attractive than alpha male. The enigmatic lone wolves. In the vast and intricate mosaic of personality archetypes, Sigma males stand out as enigmatic figures who choose to walk a solitary path, distinct from the traditional social hierarchies that govern much of human interaction. Unlike alpha males, who are often seen at the forefront of social settings, commanding attention and leading with overt dominance, Sigma males navigate the periphery, guided by an internal compass of principles and desires. This divergence from the conventional path imbues Sigma males with an air of mystery and independence, making them profoundly intriguing to those who are drawn to complexity, depth, and authenticity. Their ability to exist outside standard social structures, without the need for validation from those structures, presents a compelling alternative to the alpha's path, offering a glimpse into a life led by self-sufficiency. If you want a step-by-step guide on how to approach, date, and seduce women, check the link in the description. It's the best comprehensive guide out there. Independence and self-sufficiency. Sigma males epitomize the essence of independence and self-sufficiency, standing as beacons of strength and resilience in a world that often prioritizes social belonging and external validation. Their ability to forge ahead, reliant on their own capabilities and judgment, sets them apart in a society that values conformity. This autonomy is not just a mere lifestyle choice, but a testament to their character, showcasing an individual who is unbound by the fleeting trends or pressures that sway the masses. Such self-reliance is inherently attractive, as it signifies a person of substance, capable of standing alone yet open to connections that are meaningful and genuine. This quality resonates deeply with those who admire autonomy, not as a sign of isolation, but as evidence of a person's ability to navigate the complexities of life with confidence and poise. Sigma males, in their journey of independence, exemplify the allure of self-sufficiency, drawing others towards them who value strength, reliability, and the grace of self-assuredness. Reason 2. Mastery of solitude. The Sigma male's mastery of solitude is a hallmark of their personality, reflecting a profound comfort with their own company and a rich inner world that is self-sustaining. Unlike those who may seek the constant buzz of social interaction to fend off feelings of loneliness, Sigma males find solace and strength in solitude. This ability to be alone without loneliness suggests a level of emotional and psychological maturity that is rare and appealing. It hints at a person who has delved deeply into the self, understanding and accepting their own complexities. This mastery over solitude is not about shunning social connections, but about valuing them so deeply that only the most authentic and meaningful interactions suffice. Such self-contentment and depth are attractive qualities, marking the Sigma male as someone who brings value and substance to relationships, appealing to those who seek a partner with whom they can share a connection that transcends the superficialities of everyday social exchanges. Reason 3. Intellectual depth. Sigma males are often perceived as deep thinkers, possessing a level of intellectual curiosity that drives them to explore the nuances of life with fervor and dedication. This intellectual depth is one of their most attractive qualities, enabling them to engage in conversations that are rich, meaningful, and thought-provoking. They are not content with small talk or superficial banter. Instead, they seek out discussions that challenge the mind and soul, offering insights and perspectives that are enlightening and transformative. This intellectual vibrancy makes Sigma males captivating to those who crave mental stimulation and emotional depth in their interactions. Reason 4. The aura of mystery. The inherent aura of mystery that surrounds Sigma males significantly contributes to their allure. This mystery is cultivated through their selective sharing of personal details and their tendency to observe rather than dominate conversations. By keeping certain aspects of themselves private, they invite curiosity and intrigue, drawing others towards them in an attempt to uncover the depths beneath the surface. This allure of the unknown promises a journey of discovery for those who get close, suggesting that behind the veil of mystery lie stories untold, experiences unshared, and a richness of character waiting to be explored. This sense of mystery evokes a feeling of adventure and the potential for depth that is often lacking in more transparent personalities. It's the promise of uncovering layers, of peeling back the exterior to reveal the true essence of the Sigma male that makes this trait so captivating. Reason 5. Non-conformity. Sigma males embody the essence of non-conformity, navigating life with a steadfast commitment to their own values and beliefs, regardless of societal pressures or expectations. This trait is not just about rebellion for the sake of it, but represents a deeper, more authentic way of living that resonates with integrity and purpose. Their refusal to conform is seen as a mark of strength, a declaration of independence that is both rare and admirable. It speaks to a character that is not easily influenced or swayed by the crowd, but is guided by an internal moral compass. This non-conformity is attractive because it suggests a person who is true to themselves, unafraid to stand alone if it means being authentic. It appeals to those who value originality and courage, who are drawn to individuals who dare to live according to their own rules. Reason 6. Emotional intelligence. The Sigma male's emotional intelligence is a quietly powerful attribute that enhances their attractiveness significantly, stemming from their introspective nature and comfort with solitude. Sigma males develop a nuanced understanding of their own emotions, as well as an empathetic awareness of the emotions of others. This emotional intelligence allows them to navigate relationships with a depth of understanding and care that is rare and highly valued. They are capable of offering genuine support, understanding, and connection, making their relationships rich and fulfilling. This emotional depth is attractive because it signals a partner who is not only intellectually stimulating, but also emotionally supportive, capable of engaging in a relationship that is both mentally and emotionally satisfying. Reason 7. Adaptability. Despite their preference for operating outside conventional social structures, Sigma males exhibit a remarkable adaptability that allows them to navigate a variety of social situations with ease and grace. This adaptability is rooted in their independence and self-sufficiency, enabling them to adjust their approach as circumstances require without losing their essence. This flexibility is a testament to their strength and versatility, highlighting a personality that is as resilient as it is complex. Sigma males can thrive in environments that might intimidate others, using their adaptability to overcome challenges and seize opportunities. Reason 8. Quiet confidence. Sigma males are characterized by a quiet confidence that sets them apart from the more overtly dominant alpha males. This confidence is not loud or boastful, but is instead rooted in a deep sense of self-awareness and self-acceptance. Sigma males know their strengths and limitations, and they embrace them without the need for external validation. This quiet confidence is inherently attractive because it is genuine and unassuming, reflecting the deep inner peace and contentment with oneself. It signals a person who is comfortable in their own skin, who does not need to dominate or seek attention to feel valued. This level of self-assuredness is compelling, drawing others towards them who appreciate the strength that comes from true self-knowledge and acceptance. In a world where confidence is often displayed through loud gestures and declarations, the Sigma male's quiet confidence offers a refreshing and deeply attractive alternative. At the heart of this exploration is a call to embrace individuality, to appreciate the unique strengths and qualities each person brings to the table, and to recognize the beauty in the depth and complexity of human character. Whether one identifies with the Sigma male archetype or not, and true connections are forged on the foundation of mutual respect, understanding, and appreciation for the vast spectrum of human experience. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and watch this one as well. Thanks for watching.